Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send Hamster Kombat from Binance to Telegram wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Binance app and make sure you are logged in. Then, tap on Assets at the bottom right of your screen. Here, tap on Spot. Now tap on Withdraw. At the top, search for Hamster Kombat and tap on the first result. Here, tap on Send via Crypto Network and you will be on this page. So in the address field, we need to copy our Hamster address from the Telegram wallet. So open the Telegram wallet. Once opened, now scroll down a bit and look for Hamster. Now tap on Hamster, after that tap on Receive. Then tap on Copy Address. Now let's go back to Binance. Then paste the Hamster address into the address field. Then, for the network, select Open Network. Then for the memo field, since the Hamster address in the Telegram wallet doesn't have a memo, leave it blank. And then, for the withdrawal amount, you can enter your preferred amount here, or you can use max to send all Hamster in your balance. And keep in mind that there is a minimum amount to withdraw. Now tap on Withdraw. Here you will see it says you did not fill in the memo. Please confirm that the recipient address does not require a memo. Since the Hamster address in the Telegram wallet doesn't use a memo, tap on Submit. Then tap on Confirm. And now, the withdrawal is in progress. Wait for a few minutes. If you want to check the status of the withdrawal, tap on View History, and once the status shows as completed, you can go ahead and check your Telegram wallet. And you have successfully sent your Hamster from Binance to your Telegram wallet. So that's basically how you can send Hamster Kombat from Binance to Telegram wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.